What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Further. In today's video, guys, we do have an update on Jasmy, which has pumped up just about 6% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, but it is something, as this crypto has more or less been dropping in value quite a bit over the last couple of weeks and months as well. So we're going to be looking at, is it finally going to pump back up? Is it time to invest, or is it just a little pump and then is it going to crash back down in value? So we are going to cover both short-term and long-term investors, looking at, is it a crypto to buy right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it, or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up in value over the long run as well? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the Coinbase website. The market hasn't moved much in the last 24 hours, but we do have Jasmy as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see here, in the last hour itself, it has managed to drop 1.5%, which is not too good. However, when you compare it for the whole day, it is up overall, which is not that bad. Over the week, it has again pumped up 5%, has been quite volatile, but overall has maintained its positive side. And over the month, just about a percentage up, guys. No major changes. Again, it has been volatile up and down, but overall it has just about gained a percentage, which is nothing major. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 70%, making it $34 million in trading, which is a decent increase. Again, we're seeing a lot more people trading the crypto right now as it is gaining value. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it as it is gaining a lot of attention. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at 0.003509 cents. However, it is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 0.003763 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is for my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we is looking quite skeptical here. We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is literally flat out going in a straight line. Is not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, do expect Jasmy to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, potentially dropping down to 0.0036 cents is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at. But again, nothing too crazy. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher over the next couple of hours. Again, nothing major. And then after that, it is likely to slowly start to drop back down in value to 0.0036 cents. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue lines looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week, we should expect Jasmy to be more or less trading around its current price range. Do expect green days, do expect red days, up and down over the next 7-8 days, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. So more or less fluctuating around its current price range is what I'm expecting from Jasmy by mid next week. But again, guys, If there are any major updates in between, I'll of course keep you guys updated as much as I can. Now, moving on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks we're looking quite bullish. We got both the blue and the orange line looking positive, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so potentially late October, early November 2023. I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone through an overall minimal increase in value, nothing too crazy, not even heading towards the 1 cent target. I'm not thinking that ahead. What I'm expecting is for this crypto to be trading around 0.006 cents to 0.007 cents by late October and early November this year. But again, is cryptocurrency, guys. I'm not expecting any major bull runs at the moment. In fact, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go a little bit lower than where it is at the moment over the coming weeks before it slowly starts to recover towards the very end of the year. So yeah, again, the bull market, I'm not expecting it anytime soon, but if I am able to get any news or updates out that can have a potential positive or negative impact on the value of the crypto market, I'll of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what we are going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, there isn't much we can do here. As you guys can clearly see, we are literally in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to break out from the red zone, we're gonna have to hit 8 cents in target, which we are nowhere near at the moment. At least for the next 3 to 4 years, I'm not expecting it to break out from the red zone, as even if it manages to hit 8 cents, is going to have to go through thousands and thousands of percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy anytime soon. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction over the next couple of months at a slow and steady pace, we should be good to go. But yeah, not out of the red zone anytime soon. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Let me know in the comment section down below your take on Jasmy, guys. What is the highest figure of this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, or the lowest figure it can hit. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.